Okay, we are at what is this place called? We didn't look.
I'm not sure.
Just a second. Okay, go ahead.
It's the Denver Museum of Nature and Science.
We're at the yeah, exactly. We're in Denver, Colorado. Just Daxton and I hanging out for a couple days until Porter and Jennifer get here to visit us. Daxton is here for a gymnastics competition, but in the meantime, we're here exploring Denver to see what it has to offer, and we're taking you with us. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Woo!
Okay, let's go see this place. Let's go. The right one? There's two for general admission, two for
Pixar, yes. So I just need the Pixar ones, 1 and 2. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. So we're pretty lucky because today at the Nature and Science Museum, there's a Pixar exhibit that walks us through Pixar and how they make their movies, modeling and graphic design and storytelling. It's all here, so Daxton is having fun at every exhibit. Hey, this Pixar setup in the museum is pretty phenomenal. It walks you through everything from rigging, lighting, layout of workstations, and this particular one, Daxton's working with surfaces. What do you think of this place?
Yeah, I recommend coming. If you live in Canada, fly over.
This exhibit is dedicated to extreme sports. And you know what? I think I like it even more than the Pixar one, to be honest with you. And this one actually came free with the admission ticket. So I'm curious to see what other extreme sports they have out here. Go, 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 go!
Kick for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend.
Come on, man, you got this beat?
I get it in, I get it
1950.
I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in.
The obstacle course was really fun.
Shine like a sun on 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that.
That was a good time. So I've got a question for you, Dax.
Yeah.
We did the Beyond Human Limits exhibit. Did you like that one or the Pixar one more?
This one.
Yeah, I like this one more too. You guys go check out what other exhibits they have. We're just here checking out ancient Egypt. Daxton's writing his thoughts about the whole situation. What are you writing, Bruce?
I don't know.
He doesn't know what he's writing. Haven't had lunch yet. There's just so much to see in this place. Check out this mummified body. What do you think of this spot? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like about it? Do you know anything about, did you think this was going to be a boring section?
Yeah.
And is it?
A little bit.
Okay.
It's not big like all the other ones. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we are out of here. It is already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We got here at roughly 9 in the morning. Thought that the ticket prices were pretty expensive. It was, I'd have to check my receipt, but I want to say between the two of us it was $50. But you know what? Everything considered, we both had a lot of fun, eh?
Yeah.
So $50, I mean, I thought it was well worth it. Lots to learn, and you inspire curiosity in the little guys. Well, you inspire curiosity even in old guys like me. So, highly recommend this place, but we couldn't eat here. We want to go try somewhere new, maybe someplace local. So, let's go find that place to eat. I'm starving. Searching Yelp, we decided we're gonna check out the Little B street food. I don't know if you can see the sign there. Sounds like they serve exactly what you're after there, Brucey.
What am I after?
Hamburgers. Good, how are you doing? What'd you think, pal? Okay, it's back to the hotel. Back to the hotel. Okay, we went outside, looked for a scooter to ride around town. They were too far away. It was too cold. I wasn't in the mood. Daxton was okay with giving that a try for tomorrow. So we're gonna call today a wrap. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe and hit the like button.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.